In this video, I will show you how to link PayPal to Shopify. So first, go to Settings, and then click on Payments. Here you will see, and then click on it. After that, click on Complete Setup, and you will automatically go to PayPal and make sure that your account is on business. And then you can log in or sign up. So I will sign up. Then click it here. And then you will type your information like first name, last name, password. You can create your password by signing up to connect it to Shopify. So Shopify is only accepting the business account on PayPal. So click agree and create account. So here it is, and then go to Shopify, and it is already connected. So to activate it, you need to purchase a plan, and that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.